Hello everyone. In our previous lecture, we covered present value of a single amount. In this lecture, we are covering perpetuity. Let's look at what does it mean by perpetuity. The perpetuity is a cash flow stream in which all cash flows are the same. In the meantime, the cash flows go on forever. Now let's look at an example. Suppose the government has acquired your house recently and the government agrees to pay you $12,000 every year starting next year in perpetuity. So if the government acquires your house, you will receive $12,000 every year starting next year. So this is a perpetuity because every year you will be receiving $12,000 and it will go on forever. So the formula to find out the present value of perpetuity is simply C divided by R. C indicates the cash flow, R is the discount rate, and PV is the present value of perpetuity. So over here, your cash flow is $12,000. There's no discount rate here. So suppose if your discount rate is 10%, you can easily calculate the present value of this perpetuity. Now let's look at an example. Suppose the current value of your family house is $12,000 and I also assume that your discount rate is 10%. Now the question is, how much should be your annual payment? So how much should the government pay you each year? So in this case, you can also use the perpetuity formula, present value of the perpetuity formula, which is PV is equal to C divided by R. Here PV will be $200,000, which is the current value of your house, and the discount rate, that is the R, is the 8%. So if you do the cross multiplication, your annual payment should be like $16,000. That's all about this lecture. In our next lecture, we'll cover growing perpetuity.